Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Sam. Alright, so today we'll be talking about a lot of things, and one of them is UBI, which is Universal Basic Income. So Universal Basic Income is a way, first of all, news from the Modern Investor. I advise you subscribe to his channel and click the notification button right here. So it's a way to give people free money because most of them might have lost their job because few years from now, most jobs that we have today will be replaced by artificial intelligence and computers. All right. So if their jobs are taken away, what do you want to stay in? So that is where UBI comes into play. Right. So I'll drop a link in the description below so you guys can check it out. As I think UBI is going to bring great value to EOS as a whole. So make sure you check the description below to know more, to watch this video, and also subscribe to the channel. So the next topic of the day, we'll be talking about BOID. All right, so there was a news, I think early this morning or yesterday, about Tribe One announcing a new partnership with BOID, and that is some good news for BOID. Um, Tribe One is proud to announce our partnership with one of our favorite dApps in the EOS ecosystem, which is BOID. Now let's find out what BOID is. I already know, but I just want to read it out. For anyone who doesn't know what BOID is affectionately known as a social supercomputer. It allows people to use the computing power from their devices, CPU, mobile or any device with a web browser to help solve complex research problems and reap tokenized rewards. So it's like mining, right? So I think I have the desktop app here, right? So this is I just started using it some few days ago, right? So this is exactly how it works. I don't think I've gotten any reward so far, but I'll drop a link in the description so you guys can register and start making some BOID. I don't know the name of the token. I think it should be BOID token or so. Yeah, okay, this is BOID token, right? So I'll drop a link to this write up or this post. You can read it up. So you can also get some free token, right, when you join the tribe group. So these are the instructions rather. When you finish signing up, you just go through all this. You have to use the referral code, and then you get some extra additional 1,000 BOID coins. Right, so I think it's going to be for the first 3,500 users to sign up. That's really cool. All right, so I think I'll drop a link. Not I think I'll drop a link in the description so you guys can follow this up and register. All right, so it's really cool. So once you're done, I think this form is right here. All you just have to do is come, fill in. This is one of my email address I use for public work, and then you choose tribe and then submit. You can also choose other guys and submit, right? But that's just basically how it works. So the last news for today that I saw that is really interesting is the news about blockchain and elections, right? So personally, I really want to see this work in Africa because I'm in Nigeria right now, and one of the problems we have in Nigerian election process is the issue of rigging, right? So I don't think we've ever experienced um, any true free and transparent election before in Nigeria, and I'm forward to the day where we use blockchain technology to run our elections over here in Nigeria. Several guys are trying it out. I don't know if the news about. According to this article, there's a problem with the announcement by this company, Agora Technologies, and I think it was denied here. The National Electoral Commission uses an in-house database, right? So these guys actually announced that Sierra Leone, right? Hope it's Sierra Leone, yeah. They used blockchain to run the election, and they came out and denied and said the database was developed in C++ and runs on MySQL, which are not open source, so they didn't use blockchain technology. But I'm sure within 5 to 10 years time, most most countries will start using blockchain technology for their elections, right? So that if blockchain still stays relevant, I'm sure it will still be relevant because it's open source and fast, most especially if you're using blockchains like EOS. EOS is really fast. It will give you confirmation in real time, 0.5 seconds, right? So that's about what I have to tell you guys today. So I'll drop a link to all this news so you guys can check it out and see um, what's happening in the crypto space. So don't forget to register on Tribe, right? Register on Tribe and also watch the news or read or watch the video about universal basic income, and also drop feedback what you guys think about universal basic income. Is it a good idea? Will it make people lazy or it will help some people achieve their dreams? And like I said, if this is implemented, I'm sure it will be implemented because Dan Lerma has been talking about UBI for a long time, and I'm sure it's really it's going to work on EOS blockchain, and it will definitely bring a lot of value to your blockchain. Alright, so if you enjoyed the video, like the video, you can hit the like button and subscribe to get more. Thank you.